Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today I'm going to unbox and review a case for the Honor Pad 8. So this is the 12-inch tablet from Honor that we have done a few videos about already on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. So I'm just about to go on a trip to New York. I decided to order a case on Amazon for the device and went for this one. It's reasonably priced. I'll link in the description to where you can purchase it on Amazon. And as it comes out of the box, it's pretty straightforward. It's similar to many other cases we've seen before. It's a folio case, similar to the ones originally launched with the iPad 2nd generation. And it has all the cutouts expected for the Honor Pad 8. So I'm just going to take the Honor Pad 8, line up the camera here, the camera cutout here, and pop the tablet into the case. Now it has a hardish plastic for the clips and for the structure of the case. So you can see that here on the corners and at the other corner. The folio has a microfiber lining, so it will clean your screen as it goes. And it's magnetic, so it does stay closed. It doesn't flap around when not there. Let's take a look at the things. So obviously this is with the screen on. Let's just check that again. And if we just peek here, that's the screen off. And when I take the case off, that's it on. So it essentially unlocks the tablet when the screen gets open, which is good to see. So magnets are magic. We have a pretty good cutout for the camera module. That's a camera which is pretty decent. We have a cutout for the power button and volume rocker at the side here. And then there's nothing else to talk about until you get to the bottom, where in this case we have a cutout for the USB Type-C port and the speaker grills on one side. Let's check the other one. Yes, pretty much the same at the top where there's no USB port. Perfect cutouts for the speaker grills. So you can make the most of those 8 speakers on the Honor Pad 8. Great, so feel is good. It's not slack. It fits quite snugly inside the case. And the case doesn't add that much thickness to the device. Let's have a look at the folding capability of the folio case. So I fold it into in this way. It works as a stand for the tablet this way. Good to see that here. Next up, let's try it in the sort of tabletop mode. And that works as expected as well. So all in all, I'd say this is a decent tablet case for the price. As I said earlier in the video, I'll link in the description to where you can purchase this case on Amazon. If you do purchase from there, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks. I will also maybe do an Instagram post or a tweet or two about the case and the tablet during my upcoming trip to New York City. So for now, I think we'll wrap this video up. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything we believe makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me. Whoops, interruption from Kitten. Okay, Rin, I'm going to put you down just in case. Oh yes, I love you too. Oh, no, I know.